Question for you. If someone took away your job tomorrow, what would you still own that could make you money? Let's think about that for a second. Most people spend their time on their careers and no time on building assets. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 assets that I believe every working person should have, not just before 40, but as soon as possible. All right, let's get into it. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Pinkney, owner of the 9 to Freedom podcast, where we help working professionals stop relying on a paycheck and start building financial freedom. Jumping into asset number 1, valuable skills. The first asset isn't real estate. It isn't stocks. It isn't even a business. It is you. The more valuable your skills become, the more valuable you become. Learn sales, learn marketing, learn artificial intelligence, learn communication, learn leadership, learn how to solve expensive problems. Your income usually follows the value you create. No one can repossess your knowledge, and nobody can lay off your skill. Invest in yourself first. Asset number 2, personal brand. Whether you realize it or not, you already have a reputation. The question is, are you building intentionally? Your personal brand can open doors that a resume never will. Post what you're learning. Share your journey. Teach people. Reach one, teach one. Or is it each one, teach one? Both of them. Help people. Build trust before you need it. One video, one post, one conversation at a time. People do business with people that they like, know, and trust. Asset number 3, cash flowing investments. Your money should have a job. Most people save money and just have it sitting there doing nothing. Put your money to work. It could be index funds, dividend paying investments, real estate. By the way, if you are looking to invest in North Carolina Triangle area, please holla at your boy Eric Pinkney at the Pinkney States Agency, or my right hand Danielle Smith. Just invest in anything that produces cash flow. The goal isn't getting rich overnight. The goal is to build income that doesn't rely on you clocking in every morning. Okay, asset number 4, a business. Now this one changed my life. A job gives you income, but a business creates opportunities. Now, I'm not telling you to quit your job tomorrow. In fact, I don't recommend it. Use your paycheck to build a little something aside, you feel me? Solve one problem, serve one customer, and then another, and then another, and then another. Your business can grow. Paychecks usually don't. And ownership create options. Okay, last but not least, asset number 5, relationships. Your network is an asset. The right conversation can save you years of frustration. Bars. Find mentors. Encourage each other. Go to networking events. Step outside of your comfort zone. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Join communities. Add value before asking for value. Some of the biggest opportunities in my life came through relationships, not advertisements. So don't underestimate the power of one introduction. Okay, take it all in and imagine this. You have valuable skills, a personal brand, investments making money, a business that's growing, and creating new relationships that open doors. That's a completely different life than relying on one paycheck. Freedom isn't built in one giant leap. It is built one asset at a time. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the toasty tip of the day. Toasty! Don't try to build 5 assets at once. Pick one and spend the next 30 days improving it every single day. Small, consistent actions beat random spurts of motivation. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, but you need to be consistent. Your freedom depends on it. This episode helped you think differently about wealth? Do your boy a favor. Like, share, subscribe, and comment below. I speak with everyone. And if you are serious about starting your journey to freedom, visit 9tofreedom.life. And if you like the gear, it is also on 9tofreedom.life. Just hit the shop collection button. I am also an Amazon affiliate, so when you click the link and shop around, it is no cost to you, and it helps me tremendously. Also, get the book 9 to Freedom, Fire Your Boss Edition on Amazon right now. You can click the link below in the description. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and share with your mom and them. Until next time, keep building, keep learning, and keep owning, because freedom isn't found, It is built. See you guys next time.